Good evening, world. Good evening, people of the world in YouTube world. Paul Whittakin back with the universal law of numbers. And this episode will be a little bit different than some of the previous ones, and I hope you enjoy it. Now, today was a special day for me because I coined the couple of new terms for my universal code. The first being the God number. And I don't mean to offend anyone by that, but if there can be a God particle, then there certainly can be a God number, and there can only be one. So, I designate this as the God number. Another designation I'd like to include today is the Whittakin constant. So, it is a constant. It's a mathematical constant. It's just as constant as the constant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but it goes much further to describe and depict whatever object that may be, multi-dimensional sphere, who knows, I can't even imagine. I can only guess and theorize, but whatever it is, I'd like to associate my name with it, the Whittakin constant, and I'm willing to face, whatever it is that, take responsibility for that, whether or not, even if it's my crucifixion for all I know. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to address the question, what is this university of the universe that I'm referring to? Well, okay, so the university of the universe, it was established a long time ago. It was founded, actually, together with the creation of the universe. And it was the first university. As a matter of fact, even the word university comes from the word universe. Unfortunately, though, modern-day universities have very little in common with the original university. This university, well, it's not a commercial enterprise, and it certainly isn't a minor league sports franchise either. There are no fees or tuition. There are no prerequisites for admission. There are no summa or magna cum laude graduates, or any graduates at all. Nobody would ever want to graduate from the University of the Universe because we realize the more we learn, the more we want to learn. All the students want to continue learning. There are no administration or paid parking. There doesn't even have its own library or books. There are no exams. There are no passing and failing grades. There are no failures or dropouts whatsoever. There are no endowments or foundations. It does not promote learning through duress, stress, or coercion. Because they only contribute to poor learning and poor mental and physical health on top of it. There are no sororities here, no fraternities, no Illuminati or secret societies. The only skull and bones we have here are our own. There's no need for any conspiracy theories here because we keep no secrets, because we have nothing to hide. But we reject the principles of usury. We do not idolize usurers. We do not lionize presidents, prime ministers, kings, or queens. We study the universal constant, and we do that to learn and recognize how the 3s and the 6s, hiding in the shadows, are pulling the strings. And we are not easily hoodwinked. We develop immunity from propaganda designed to control our minds. We are not Democrats or Republicans. We do not identify ourselves as liberals or conservatives, independents or libertarians. We also do not identify ourselves with any sports teams because we are not agreeable to be herded like cattle into stadiums or arenas. We may like sports and engage in them, but do not allow our identities or behaviors to be affected in an orchestrated effort to distract us, control our minds, or dumb us down. We do not believe in or get caught up in mass hypnosis or rally for war. War has no glorious victories. War has no glorious victors. It only has dead people. Human beings, just like ourselves. Many languages may be spoken and written here at the university, but we all share the one common universal language, the alphabet 1 through 9. It teaches us unity. There are no armed guards, security personnel, police officers, or any need for them here. There is no prestigious law faculty or medical faculty, or any other faculties for that matter. The only faculties that are found here are the faculties of mind and intellect. It's already the most prestigious institute of higher learning. What we learn is that the more we learn, the more there is to learn. And the more there is to learn, the more we love to learn. And purely for the sake of it. There are no symbols or mascots or college seals. Nobody has a college ring. There's no form of a caste system. And equality is the paramount virtue. It's not theocracy, it's not democracy, communism, socialism, or apartheid. It's humanism. We only recognize human rationality. We have no religion here, no ethnicity or creed. All of these ideas, they're weapons of division to divide and conquer us. Our goal is simple: the restoration of pure water, pure air to breathe, pure earth, and the result being purification of our minds, our bodies, and our spirits. So how does one get to the University of the Universe? You might ask. Well, it's very simple. You close your eyes and you have arrived. But pay very close attention, because when you do, you've arrived at the universe as well. That's the universe too. That's your universe. But it's connected to my universe too. And all of our universes are connected because we're interconnected in the only universe we know about. We're all integral parts of the universe. We were all sent here by the universe. And someday we will return. So when you observe that space in your mind, you will find that that is the repository of all wisdom and knowledge. Everything you know and everything you want to know, it can be found right there. You just have to ask for it. You just have to pay attention and look for it. You have to listen for it. And you have to have your intentions must be true. Because that's God in there we're talking about. And God is the universe. And now I'm leaving you, for now, checking out from the University of the Universe. This is Paul Wittekind. I wish peace and happiness to the world.